We've all heard and used Google in our daily searches, haven't we? Google is one of the largest companies in the world with millions of people using it every day to look for information, news, watch videos, or buy something. But did you know that there is a way to make a huge amount of money just by using an overly simple Google track? There's this small group of people, not so techy group of people, who is discreetly generating thousands of dollars. The last time I heard was $5,000 just by utilizing this ultra-secret method. This one-of-a-kind information was never shared with the public until today at this moment. Because in this video, I will be exposing basically everything to you so that you can get money from the little-known Google trick. You can definitely do this absolutely for free if you have a phone or any gadget in your hand capable of connecting to the internet, because this method works globally. Stick with me until the end of this video so I can give you the completely free tool to raise your earnings enormously. People would ordinarily spend days and hours to make around $5,000. But if you know this super secret tool and trick, you can easily make up to $400 for each and even more in as little as 30 minutes. Before we proceed, welcome to our Make Money Online channel, where we will be teaching you the most effective ways of raising and making money online. All the tips and tricks we have validated ourselves just for you. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Press that notification bell so you can be notified with our new trending videos. Don't forget to leave a comment below so we know how the videos work for you. The first step you should do is to head to the Google site and search for keyword Google News. Click on this button and scroll down to use this logo. You will see here that the news is available. You can just click here and you'll be directed to this page. Continue watching and follow what I'm showing you to get paid from Google. You will notice here that there is a lot of different news of different topics here on Google. Google will categorize all these into most popular categories. As such, we have entertainment, probably this is the most popular one now, business, sports, science, technology, and other topics that people love watching. Let's say I click on this health. This will direct me to this website containing more news related to this topic. Let's move on. Say I pick one of these articles. This one looks good and professional. You can genuinely make money by using Google News and articles you find here because these are legitimately professional content. Just copy a sentence or one paragraph from this article. Now we head to step 2. Type this in the search bar, Spinbot.com. This is a genuinely free tool and software that allows you to spin or rewrite the articles you will put in here. That's the easy concept behind this. There are 2 boxes here. This box number 1 is where you will add the text to rewrite the text you just copied. Paste the whole paragraph into this box. Scroll down further to let the software assist you in rewriting the entire paragraph into a brand new content. Click the I'm not a robot button, then the Go button. It's all just a few clicks away in rewriting this seemingly complicated article. Some of our dear viewers are already aware of how effective this method is. Basically, you are just using Google's power, especially Google News, to find various trending and timely topics professionally written by others and backed up by research. We are utilizing the AI technology. That's the Spinbot that rewrites and rephrases the articles into completely rewritten articles. These new articles are what you will use to generate your thousands of dollars. Let's go to step 3. Once you have generated newly rewritten articles, you can now go to different websites and get paid with these articles you've spinned. In this video, I'll reveal to you the 3 websites I've tried, so make sure to stick with me until the very end of this clip. Remember, the more websites you join, the more money you will make. Use this short break to subscribe to our channel and give it a big thumbs up for more opportunities like this. Let us know how this online trick works for you by commenting below. Now let's go back to the hustle and earn some money. Website number 1 is textbroker.net. Type this into your search bar and go to homepage. Look for this button that says I write content and click this. You will be shown your potential profits and home money you can make. They will rate you from 2 to 5 stars depending on the quality of the articles you submit. The pay is different for each written word. You don't need to have superb writing skills. You don't need prior experience to do this. It doesn't matter if this is the first time you'll do this. Just follow this easy strategy of going to the Google News and look for various professional articles in different topics. Then rewrite the content using the article spinner of Spinbot, and that's how Google will help you generate income online. Anyone can do it under an hour. You can expect to get 4 to 5 star ratings, especially if you copy high-quality professional Google articles. Compensation is between 1.4 and 5 cents for each word. Say, for example, you receive a 5-star rating in one article and you use a professionally health-related article from Google. If you are able to spin it and get a 2,100-word newly written article, you can make around $105 for just one article. Imagine doing this every day. You'll earn your first thousands of dollars online in just a few days. This is one of the most feasible and easiest ways that the beginners without any prior experience can do to make money online. I've seen others do it without divulging on how they make this huge amount of money, yet here I am telling their secret to you. You might earn up to $300 online in a single article if you're able to produce even high-quality articles with 5,000 words. You really should consider joining Text Broker because it's completely free to register. Submit as many articles you can do and the site will pay you weekly. Get paid every week, and once you reach $10 in earnings, you will be finally able to cash out from your account. The second website is iWriter.com. There are 5 simple procedures to make money from this site. Step 1 is to create a free account. Step 2 is to choose which type of category you want to write or spin articles about. Step 3 is as easy as submitting your articles. Step 4 is to review your article. Once the article is approved, Step 5 is just to wait for your earnings. They will pay you an excellent income based on the package that the client will get. Packages are at various prices. If you are able to write 100-word article for $4 on the most popular bundle, you need to write 3,000-word articles for $626 here in this other package. Once you have provided high-quality articles, we will advise to the Elite Plus level. This is the amount of money you will make if you write up to 3,000 words. That's a good amount of money for spin-off articles. Sign up to different websites to get paid in multiple amounts and get unlimited streams of income from spin-off professional articles. Website number 3 is scripted.com. Click on the Become a Writer button here at the top of the page and you'll be directed here. Apply as a freelancer and you can work in any industry and niche of your choosing. This is the reason why Google and Google News should be your source of articles because of the variety of professional articles written in there. They have the most popular and trendiest topics that people actually read. The most popular and trending topics nowadays are entertainment, technology, science, and health. These articles on Google are constantly updated. Again, you can rewrite this using AI technology Spinbot. This is really awesome for beginners, a surefire way to get paid online without doing much hard work. You can make more money in this website number 3, scripted.com. In textbroker.com, you can earn around $160 for a 3,000-word article. In the second website, you can earn $217 for the same amount of words. In Scripted.com, you can double the amount up to $300 from just one single article. Just click the Apply Now button and you will be directed to the registration page. Input your name and email, add, then create password to register. That's it! There goes another beginner-friendly make money online trick you'll never see anywhere. Take a look at our channel for more videos like this. Please click the link button and subscribe to our channel for more opportunities like this. If you have any further questions, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.